to another What's for Dinner with me, Cheri, at cookswellwithothers.com, where I'm just going to share the dinners that I made this week and share the recipes that I'm going to link below. You can find those recipes and lots of others at cookswellwithothers.com. So usually when I plan my meals, I like to do a fun weekend dinner or snack, like a snacky snack night, and then usually about 3 or 4 meals throughout the week. I usually make them in bigger quantities, and then that way we have leftovers and stuff like that. So I am a teacher, and I went back to school this week, and I'm fine. I'm fine. So I knew it was going to be a little bit more of a busy week, so I actually did a meal prep recipe this week. I did chicken, bacon, ranch meal prep salads, where I just grilled some chicken, made some bacon, I had some fresh tomatoes from my garden, and I meal prepped those just to kind of help me get through the week, so I'm fine. Just kidding. So our fun weekend dinner was beer brined barbecue chicken wings. I brined those in beer and a couple of other things. I used Corona because it was my daughter's boyfriend's favorite beer and he was coming, so he really liked those. We all really liked those. I made this on the smoker, but in the recipe that's linked below, there's also recipes to bake it in the oven, or it's included in the recipe. Monday, I wasn't quite in school yet, so this one was a Greek chicken kebab with naan bread. It was amazing. I marinated the chicken overnight, grilled it along with some naan bread. I even made enough to meal prep for the next day. I shared some with my wonderful neighbor and she really liked it. So I highly recommend that recipe. On Tuesday, I try to make everything in moderation. The Greek chicken kebabs were healthy, so we splurged a little bit on Tuesday. I made some cheesy chorizo baked chicken. It had queso, it had some chorizo sausage. We ate it with tortilla chips and warm tortillas, and it was so good. I'm using a little cheat sheet here. Wednesday was the night before school started, so my husband wanted to take me out for date night, so we just went out for date night. We brought the kids home some food, so I didn't make anything on Wednesday night. And then Thursday night, which was the very first day of school, I made buffalo chicken bacon sliders. They start in the crock pot. You just shred it up with 2 forks right in the crock pot, and everybody kind of makes their own slider, and I just added some bacon that I made in the air fryer. So we just had that with some apples on the side. Just didn't want to overwhelm myself on the very first day of school. So I will be back next week to share some more recipes with you. Like I said, all these recipes are linked below, and you can find them at cookswellwithothers.com. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks.